stock is the one that's buzzing in the unlisted space, gains to the tune of about 27% coming in as far as that particular stock is concerned. Agni, in fact, is standing by with some more details. Agni, help us understand what is powering these gains at this point in time.
Right, so NSDL is the new hot stock in the unlisted market. The stock has jumped 27% over the last 1 month or so and is currently trading at around 1,190 to 1,250 a piece. Now remember, NSDL is a share that can be bought in lots of 50 shares in the unlisted market, which, if you consider the upper end at which the stock is trading, will make one lot worth 62,500 rupees. So a couple of triggers what is moving this stock in an upward trajectory. Number one, anticipation for the IPO. NSDL's IPO deadline is approaching, which is July 31. The company has filed an addendum to its DRHP, and sources tell us that the IPO process is now going to go forward in an expedited manner. The second reason that can be seen as a reason for the uptick in the stock is that shares of NSDL have been unfrozen in the unlisted market. Similar to how we saw with the shares of NSE in March, NSDL shares can now be traded and settled within 1 or 2 days. Earlier, this process used to take close to 6 months. So now there's none of those back-end technicalities involved. Shares can easily be transferred and traded. Also, brokers and industry sources are telling us that the run-up in NSE stock, which remember has somewhere around 40% compared to NSDL's 30%, is also fueling the growth. NSE holds 24% stake in the company. Now, a few things you need to remember while investing in NSDL is the kind of shareholding that the company has. So the company is owned, like I said, 24% by NSE. There are 20 crore shares, 795 public shareholders. Banks collectively hold 59%, with IDBI Bank holding the largest stake, 26.1%. SDFC Bank holds another 8%, and Deutsche Bank and SBI hold 5% each. When it comes to financials, NSDL had a relatively flat quarter, with revenue, EBITDA and EBITDA margin all coming in flat. Revenue was somewhere around 364 crore, EBITDA was around 91 crore, and margin was around 25.1%. Net profit fell marginally to 83 crore versus 86 crore in the previous quarter. Now, these are the details that have led to an increase in NSDL stock price, and it's expected to go further till the company gets listed.
All right, and that's the update coming in as far as NSDL then is concerned. That is a 3,000 crore IPO, and it looks like it's going to be expedited as well. So that's the update as far as NSDL is concerned.